improving something that is obviously because we didn't have the foresight to think about it, I think that should be the government's cost. Like for example, lagyan ng signature, pinapaganda niyo yung proseso kasi dati pinalpak tayo. Dapat yon libre na.
We will do the
So
computation.
give us a computation on that.
Yeah.
If everybody will have an updated physical ID, what will it cost them? Okay. Number two, my question again is about all card. Ano ba nangyari doon? Some people are saying, why did the central bank procure the services of all card when they have their own printing system? Now, I mean just what do you call this, common sense. Of course, the central bank is also printing not just the national IDs, but I assume our money, right? So hindi naman pwedeng ma-tie down yung mga equipment nila doon. So was that the reason why they contracted out the printing to all card, and why was it canceled?
Ma'am, dun sa pag-contract, ang memorandum agreement between the PSA kasi is with BSP. So when we entered into a MOA, our expectation is that it's BSP. So as mentioned, we were surprised na all cards ang kumuha, ano. Nalaman namin nung nagkakaroon na ng operation.
You were assuming BSP themselves will print it.
Because our memorandum of agreement is between PSA and BSP as approved by our council po.
Are we in violation of an agreement or the law? Because if there was an agreement between you and BSP, is there a particular provision that says BSP will print?
Nakalagay po sa aming MOA that hindi po pwede yung subcontracting. Yun po yung note ng aming COA nung nagkaroon ng...
So, paano ngayon yan? They violated.
Our COA, Madam Chair is here.
No, this is actually a grave concern, because if they blatantly violated memorandum of agreement, that's something that can cancel out the entire agreement, and then I mean, BSP might be liable for something here. COA, paki-explain nga kung paano nila nalusutan ito.
Okay. Under the back resolution number 20-06-03, it was stated that subcontract is not allowed. And the back resolution is part of the memorandum of agreement. And then when we, nung nalaman nga namin na si Allcard yung nakuha niya, we raised this issue with the PSA.
You
Yes
raised
po.
the issue.
Yes.
And then what did PSA do? Did you call the central bank?
Yeah, nung March, the COA report, Madam Chair, was about dated May of 2023. Prior to that, about late March of 2023, we wrote already BSP. The purpose, because the objective of the PSA is really to make sure that the cards are being produced and delivered. During the time, the spike in the registration number has been there, and the people are complaining why they don't have the cards yet. In March 2023, about only 35 million cards were with us.